All right, y'all, let me tell you about a game changer that I had the opportunity to try, the Bald Buddy. And I was able to do this, guys, and utilize it just yesterday. So this is 24 hours later. I think it's important to make sure that I didn't have any stinging, any irritation. And this is a dope product. I'm not gonna hold you guys. It's smaller than a lot of the other shavers that I've utilized, but again, it shaved very close, allowed no irritation 24 hours later, no burning, no stinging. So I am liking what I'm picking up right now with the Cut Buddy. Comes with this cool little tray that allows you to rinse it off. So I had it in here after I did my cut yesterday, just to rinse off some of the obviously hair that's there. And then the best part, I think, of this whole system, the Bald Buddy, Cut Buddy, is that they have aftercare products. It's so important to make sure we don't have any irritation, no redness, no rash. And so I used the products yesterday, the post-treatment, which I use on top of my head, and then also the Bump Buddy, which I use under here, under my neck, which I also use the Shave Buddy, the Cut Buddy for right here, and no irritation. So thus far, 24 hours later, which always is the moment of truth, I'm feeling good, y'all. Have a close shave here, and no irritation. So thus far, the products are working. So again, I'm liking what I'm seeing thus far from Cut Buddy. If you're interested, definitely pick up yours today. Have some information where you can get yours. Let's go. Real men get it done.